Imagine this. You're just trying to quickly pay a utility bill, or, maybe you're right in the middle of moving into a new home. You're stressed, you're busy, and suddenly, boom, you hit a brick wall. You are completely blocked from doing anything just because you can't find your 10-digit Atmos Energy account number. It's such a tiny detail, but it literally brings everything to a grinding halt. Well, welcome to this explainer. So whether you are managing a residential home or a commercial property, being locked out of your account is, frankly, incredibly stressful. But don't worry, in this explainer, we're going to give you the absolute fastest problem solution funnel to get you right back in control, step by step. Okay, let's dive into this. Now, you might be wondering why this specific 10-digit number is so absolutely crucial. Well, Atmos Energy is one of the nation's largest natural gas providers, and this continuous integer is basically the master key to your entire account. You need it for the whole shebang: standard billing, setting up service transfers, and, super importantly, secure authentication if you ever need emergency support. Here is our quick agenda for today. First, we'll look at the missing account number and how to prep, then finding it online, checking e-bills and paper statements, support and troubleshooting, staying secure, and finally, a few final tips and our disclaimer. Let's get into it. Section 1. The missing account number. Before we go blindly hunting for the number itself, we need to gather a few essential things just to make this whole process smooth. Think of this as your prep checklist. You are going to need the full registered name on the account, the exact service address, access to the email you registered with Atmos Energy, and in some cases, your social security number. Having that SSN handy is really helpful for identity verification or, if they need to do a deposit assessment when you're setting up brand new service. Once you've got all that, you're ready to roll. Section 2. Finding it online. So if you've already registered for an online profile in the past, this is definitely going to be your fastest route. The most direct recovery pathway is to just navigate straight to atmosenergy.com. Next, click on the Account Center login. Then simply authenticate using your username and password. The moment you're inside your dashboard, that 10-digit account number will be staring right back at you, prominently displayed. But, what if you completely forgot your login credentials? It happens to the best of us. If you hit that roadblock, just use the Forgot Username or Password tool right there on the login page. You just enter your registered email address, and the system automatically shoots over a reset link to get you right back inside. Easy. Now here is a really brilliant tool for the future: the Atmos Energy mobile wallet. If you set this up, you can literally add your natural gas bill to your phone's Apple Wallet or Google Pay in seconds. It basically acts as a quick all-access pass directly on your device. The best part? It completely bypasses those standard login screens when you just want to check your balance or quickly grab that account number. A total game changer. Section 3. E-bills and paper statements. Okay, but what if you can't access the online portal at all? Well, that brings us to archival retrieval. If you're someone who is enrolled in the automatic payment plan, you're probably getting paperless e-bills. You don't even need to log in. Just search your email inbox for exact phrases like Atmos Energy e-bill. Actually, scratch that. Also try searching Atmos Energy Bill Summary. Those monthly digital emails have your account number right there in the text. Now, what's really interesting about this is how clearly Atmos maps out their physical and PDF statements. Take a look. Direct your eyes right up to the top left header, just next to your name and service address. Boom, there it is. And if you look down at the bottom right stub, on the detachable payment coupon, that 10-digit continuous integer is sitting right there too. You might also notice the super long string of numbers running along the bottom edge of your physical bill. That is called the OCR code line. It's basically an encoded scan line that contains your account number, routing info, and your payment balance. It's strictly designed for automated clearinghouses to process those physical payment coupons fast. So your account number is actually hidden right inside that long string of digits. Section 4. Support and troubleshooting. Now, what if you're caught in a total recovery loop? You can't find old bills, you can't log in online. Don't panic. First, a huge troubleshooting tip regarding mobile apps. If you search the App Store for Atmos, you might see an app called ATMOS Mobile by Centrix. Do not use this. That app is actually a medical alert and emergency call system for caregiving facilities. It has absolutely nothing to do with the utility company. Always just use your mobile web browser and go to atmosenergy.com. When all else fails and you really just need to speak with a human being, here is the magic number: 888-286-6700. That's the toll-free customer service line. The reps are available Monday through Friday between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. Central Time. They'll use that prep info we gathered earlier to verify you, and then they'll give you your account number right over the phone. There are a few alternative support tools out there too. If you hate waiting on hold, third-party AI voice tools like Vibrato can actually wait in the queue for you and just connect you when a real agent is ready. Also, and this is crucial, if you are facing a potential service disconnection and you need to pay immediately, use the automated phone system at 1-833-442-7583. Doing it that way ensures same-day payment posting, whereas web payments can take up to 72 hours. Oh, and for non-urgent matters, you can always just mail written inquiries directly to their care center in Dallas, Texas. I need to state this next part very, very seriously. Do not, under any circumstances, use the 866-322-8667 emergency line or dial 911 for an account number lookup. There is a strict, absolute division between standard customer support and the 24/7 emergency leak hotline. If you smell gas, leave the area immediately, then call the emergency line. But please never tie up emergency dispatch with billing questions. Section 5. Staying secure. So once you've successfully retrieved your account number, you've got to protect it. Atmos takes digital security very seriously, and this brilliantly illustrates their strict password criteria for the account center. Ready? Passwords have to be between 8 and 128 characters long. You cannot use 3 consecutive characters, and you must include at least 3 of the following: an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, or a special character. They do not mess around with security. But beyond digital passwords, you also need to physically guard your 10-digit number and your OCR scan line. Treat them like a credit card number. Exposing these digits, like by throwing away intact bills in the trash or accidentally sharing a screenshot online, can absolutely lead to unauthorized access, or worse, make you a huge target for utility phishing scams. Always, always shred physical documents containing this data. Section 6. Final tips and disclaimer. To wrap this explainer up, just remember the absolute fastest ways to grab your account number: logging into the account center, searching your email for e-bill summaries, or just pulling out a physical statement. Also, a quick note: instructions in this explainer were accurate at the time of filming. Always refer to Atmos Energy's official website for their most current guidelines, policies, and any portal updates. Being locked out is frustrating, for sure, but it really doesn't have to ruin your day. Now that you know the pathways to get back in, let me leave you with this final thought. Have you added your bill to your mobile wallet yet? Taking literally just a few seconds to do that right now could prevent this lockout headache from ever happening again. Thanks for learning with us, and we'll see you in the next explainer.